Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Lauren, this is Jana, and we are coming to you today with another lightning fast tip.
I have been listening to podcasts off and on forever, and one of the things that continues to come up is the topic of, do people really want to stay at work and that work-life balance, and what exactly would I do if I chose to leave the job? Like the great resignation, right? We hear that quite a bit.
Not you, right?
No.
Okay. Okay.
So with that, I think the biggest thing is, if I was to choose to leave my job, what in the world would I do about my insurance? Because I can't go without that, and it's a deal breaker in some cases. I think it's a dream crusher.
Well, it doesn't have to be.
Okay.
So I've been getting this call for years now, ever since the individual marketplace stopped offering PPO plans. So minimum requirements to start a group plan, which then gives you access to a PPO, which is what most people are accustomed to.
Absolutely.
In the workforce. So for a PPO plan in the group market, you either need a W-2 employee, just one. So if you've got a W-2,
like a me?
Yeah, like a W-2 employee working for you, just one. Or you need at least two owners. So if you're an entrepreneur that's gone out on your own, just you yourself is not enough to establish a group health plan in Texas. However, if you've got a W-2, or if you've got two entrepreneurs, partners, if you will, you do have enough to establish a group health plan. And it's something that I do frequently and often, because you're right. I mean, the workforce is changing and people are going out more often. So it doesn't have to be a dream crusher, I guess.
Well, you're talking about a PPO though, like that's some kind of deal breaker too. Tell me a little bit more about that, just because.
Right. So
who cares?
Right. So we've got a bunch of different options, and without getting into too much of that, people enjoy going to their own doctors and not having to go see a primary care physician to give them a referral to go to a specialist.
The referral, okay.
That's the big thing with PPO, and also out-of-network benefits, which nobody can afford anyway. But the nice thing about a PPO policy is that you don't have to have a director of your healthcare in your primary care physician that then gives you permission or writes a referral to go see a specialist if you need to go see an ear, nose, and throat doctor, or an OBGYN, or whatever the case may be.
So if I'm at a job right now thinking about leaving, used to my corporate group insurance with a PPO plan, and I decide to leave, I don't want to consider the individual market because those are only the HMO plans. So it's limited coverage. It's coverage, but it's limited. If I want to spoil myself still, I want that group coverage. So now, basically, you're saying there is a possibility for those entrepreneurs, maybe with another partner or with one employee, that you could make that happen, and you could actually have the coverage you needed.
Even a spouse. So if you've got two partners and your spouse, both of you are on the paperwork.
The family business, if you will.
All right. We know a thing or two about that, don't we?
Hey, guys, if you have more questions or want to have maybe a quote pulled together, Lauren and I are happy to help you with that. So give us a buzz. Yeah. Otherwise, I'd say just keep on crushing those goals and
we're here to help.
Happen. Yeah. Thanks.